In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located behind the glove box. Let's get started. Open the glove box. Using a T15 bit, remove the 2 screws behind the glove box. Close the glove box. There's 2 more bolts located on the bottom side. Remove the glove box assembly. Inside the glove box compartment, we're going to pull on these 2 tabs on either side and remove the door. Remove the filter. Remove any debris inside of the box. Install the new cabin filter. Be sure that the arrows on the cabin air filter are pointed down. Install the cover. Get into the bottom 2 hinges. Tilt it up, click it into place. Install the glove box, it'll snap into place. Get the bolts started in the bottom. Snug them down, make them nice and tight. Install the 2 screws into the upper part of the glove box. Snug the screws down. Close the glove box, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.